Iron contamination is a major concern in powder production. Minor issues, clogged pipelines, and poor material flow. Severe issues, disruptions to the entire production line, designed specifically for continuous powder processing. Our rotary magnetic separator intercepts iron contaminants right at the feed inlet, ensuring more stable production. The entire unit is made of 316L stainless steel, sandblasted exterior for improved wear resistance. Brushed internal finish prevents material adhesion. Clean, reliable, and long-lasting in operation. Rotary high-intensity magnetic design delivers full coverage adsorption, equipped with a pull-out cleaning system for easy cleaning. No repeated manual cleaning required. Strong and stable magnetic force effectively captures fine iron powder and small metal particles, greatly improves the purity of the final product. Smooth overall operation. Simple flange mounting, suitable for most powder conveying applications. Easy daily maintenance. Ideal for chemicals, building materials, mining, and other industries. Configurations and sizes can be customized. Shanghai Taishan Magnetics. We look forward to win-win cooperation with you.